Hello everyone, this is the interface of. Here I have one VPS previously installed. Click Create Instance, then choose a machine configuration and server region. Go down to the boot disk, select Change, and select the Debian operating system with a disk size of 10 GB and click Select. Scroll down to the Disk Additional Disk section, add a new disk, name the drive Windows or a name you like. Choose a size of 30 GB and save. Click Create. Wait a few seconds for it to create the device. Click SSH. Authorize to log in. Go to the download-x.com website I have in the description below. Get the code line to install and paste that code line into SSH and press enter. The download and installation process will take 5 minutes. Until the word "all done" appears, you can turn off SSH. You will need to stop this virtual machine. Next, click on the name of the VPS you just created, click Edit. Scroll down to Additional Disk, click Remove Disk and save. Now I go back to the Compute Engine page to create a VPS. Click Create Instance. You need to select the correct machine series and region that you just created the Debian machine before and name the VPS. Scroll down to Boot Disk and click Change. In the Boot Disk menu, select Existing Disk. Click on Zone, select the newly created drive. I initially set it as Windows 01, select. Continue to click Create. However, by default, the Google Cloud Firewall blocks these ports, so you need to add them manually. Source IPv4 ranges, go to the My IP of the device you are using and paste it into that box. And click Create. Go back to the Compute Engine page to get your IP address to log in. I use Remote Desktop to control login information, user and password 123,456. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to the channel to receive the latest useful videos.